I welcome us to this Learning by WB Analytics. In this video, we'll be learning how to create an account receivable aging analysis. An account receivable aging analysis, it's an analysis that lists the unpaid customer invoices and outstanding credits by date ranges. The aging report is a primary tool that is used by collections officers and management to determine invoices that are overdue for payment, and also for application of impairment allowances in line with the IFRS. All right. To do this, we'll be using the if with the and Excel functions to perform this analysis. So at this moment, please, I would like you to click on the subscribe and like button so as to get notifications for more videos. Thank you. So given the data before us, we'll be analyzing company XYZ account receivable as at 31st December 2019. Okay, so here we have our customer names, their invoice date, invoice ID, the invoice amount, then the days overdue. We need to calculate this. Then we have our different date ranges, 0 to 30 days, 31 to 90 days, 91 to 180 days, 181 to 365 days, and greater than 365 days. So our cutoff for this analysis is 31st December 2019, which is this date right here. And like I said, the Excel functions we'll be using is the if with the and function to perform this analysis. So first thing for us to do is to calculate the days due. To calculate the days due, it's simply by saying equals to the cutoff date, which is 31st December, minus the invoice date that the customer was, that the sale was made to the customer. Then we add +1 to signify that the 31st December date is inclusive in this days due. Press the enter key. So this customer has 206 days due. Meanwhile, we need to freeze the cutoff date so as to apply the days due for other dates within the account receivable. So I'll click on my cutoff date, which is D3, and I press the F4 key. You can see the $sign before the D and before the number 3. It means that that particular cell is now freeze or an absolute cell, which you can then drag down for other calculations to be done. So I'll double click. Okay, so we have our days due for each particular customer. So the next thing we do is to calculate the days due given the date ranges. So first we'll be calculating for between 0 to 30 days. To do that, we say equal to if, open my bracket. I will now introduce the AND function. Open another bracket. So that is if this is greater than equal to 0, comma, and also this is now less than equal to 30, close my bracket, comma, bring the invoice amount, otherwise return 0, close my bracket. So this customer does not fall within 0 to 30 days. That's why it's returning 0 for us. For 31 to 90 days, we do the same. If I introduce the AND function, days due, which is F6, is now greater than equal to 31 days, comma, F6 again is now less than equal to 90 days. Close my bracket, comma, return me the invoice amount, otherwise return 0. Close my bracket, press enter key. Then for 91 to 180 days, we said equal to if and F6, which is the days due, is now greater than equal to 91, comma, F6 is less than equal to 180 days. Close my brackets, comma, give me the invoice amount, otherwise return 0. Close my bracket, press the enter key. So this customer does not fall within the same bracket. So go to the next, which is 181 to 365 days equal to if and F6 is greater than equal to 181 days, comma, and F6 is less than equal to 365 days inclusive, comma, give me the invoice amount, otherwise return 0. Then for the last one, you can see that this particular customer falls within the 181 days to 365 days bracket by having 206 days overdue. So for 365, we repeat the same thing, but this time without the AND function in our argument. We say equal to if the days due it's greater than, we can say 366, because we already captured 365 in 181 to 365 days. 366, comma, return the invoice amount, otherwise return 0, close my bracket, press the enter key. All right, so from here we can drag down to apply to other customers in the account receivable. So I'll double click to drag down. Okay, for 31, 90 days, drag down, double click, drag down, double click to drag down, and double click to drag down. All right, so we can scroll down and do a summation. All right, so our Excel is already formalized with the sum function to give us a total sum for within 0 to 30 days. So from this analysis, we can see that the total invoice amount is around 1.9 million naira. And out of this, 126,000 naira fall within 0 to 30 days brackets, then 239 or 240,000 naira fall within 31 to 90 days, 727,000 naira fall within 91 to 180 days, and those above 181 to 365 days, it's 827,000 naira. All right, so with this information or with this analysis, management can then make decisions as to determine where to put more collection emphasis and how to also apply impairment allowances on these individual customers for financial reporting. Thank you for your time, and I hope that you're able to learn a thing or two from this Excel video. Kindly click on the subscribe and like button to get more of these videos. Thank you for watching.